Welcome back to the channel, Market Hawks, where we stalk the market. This is where you come get your financial gain so they don't run a financial train on you. Right now, I know that everybody's worried the markets are crashing, and it has everybody showing so much panic and fear. I actually had clients call me this morning. They're a little disgruntled. They was worried what was happening. It's how you look at this thing. When the markets are crashing, it's called complete opportunity. Complete opportunity. Now, I want to give you a little term, something that hedge funds and institutions use. It's called dislocation. What is dislocation? Right now, we are in a circumstances where there's dislocation. Dislocation is where stocks are mispriced. Why? Because there's stress on the market. The tariffs have unwanted stress on the market. So everything is mispriced, undervalued. That's what dislocation is. Dislocation creates opportunity. That's how you're supposed to look at this and perceive this. Now, I understand a lot of investors have been in the market for the last 2 years on the bull run, but there's always two sides to everything. You have to have the mindset and the mentality for this. Right now, we're in the era of dislocation. Why? Because I'm going to say it. I may be wrong, but I'm never in doubt. These stocks are oversold and they are mispriced. Remember when I went back and I told you guys about high frequency trading, the machines and the algorithms? Whenever this data comes out, these algorithms are already programmed to sell, buy. So a lot of times when this information come out, these stocks are already in the algorithms in these institutions. They're going to automatically sell off of the information, and you have to pay attention to this stuff if you know what's going on. Wealth is made in your sleep, not on your feet. This is the time, the opportunity. You can possibly change your life right now. This is not financial advice. This is information that could possibly change your life. This market, to me, I can't tell you where's the bottom or where's the top. None of us know what's going to happen. But what I do know, that eventually there will be a bull market that's going to come and it's going to go on a tear. Why? Stocks have sold off so much. There's great opportunity. All of these stocks that was substantially high and overbought, now they are mispriced. So the way you look at this thing and you see this thing, you look for complete opportunity. The companies that you like, the companies that you've been wanting to buy, you have the opportunity to buy them at a discount. Or you can look at this, the market is falling. I'm going to throw all my assets on the floor for cheap and let someone else come in and buy my assets and ride them up possibly. That's what's going on. But this is dislocation at its best. This correction is actually healthy for the market. We don't know where it's going because of the tariffs. Okay, tariffs are here. What do you do? What am I doing? Me, I do have put options on certain companies. And at the same time, I'm taking some of the profits that I make off the puts and I'm buying the stocks long that I want to own on the long term anyway. I can always tell you a lot of you stressing because you're working more than you invested. We have to pay attention and be economically woke so we won't be broke while others spend money on things that does not even matter. That's the name of the game. Now I'm going to drop a gem on you guys. I'm going to leave you with a recession-proof company right now. This company is probably up 10% through all the turmoil that's been going on. It's called Easy Corp. Easy Corp. It pretty much is a pawn shop. It does transactions with pawn shops in America and Latin America. This is one of my gems. It's up about 10%. It hasn't flinched one bit. Easy Corp. Check them out. They've been doing their thing while everyone else has been taking a beating. They've been holding strong. It's a small company. Maybe they have a $800 million market cap. I see that their outstanding loans is up 13% for the year, and their net income has increased I want to say 9%, 31 million. And their future earnings are looking pretty good because for me, quote unquote, I may be wrong, but I'm never in doubt. I already look at it as if we're in a recession. That's how I'm acting. I'm going to always act like that right now because the news is coming here, the news is coming there. So I'm not going to wait till they say it. Usually they tell you that it's a recession 6 months after you come out, but they're saying it a lot. I'm not going off what they say. I'm looking at the economy. Jobs are being lost. People are struggling. No one has no real certainty. Even the working class, federal jobs, all types of stuff is being disrupted. So right now, your portfolio, it's not just portfolio stocks. It is your economic bodyguard. It is what you need that you should have been planting your seeds in. If you have not been doing it, I would highly likely recommend that you start investing so that your money can constantly be working for you. You can never get rich or wealthy working for money. Money has to work for you. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe. And I want to tell you guys, we'll be coming out soon. I've been through a process of moving, so I haven't been set up. I just wanted to get something out and to allow all my subscribers, all my Market Hawk followers to see what's going on. This is me raw and uncut, but I had to give you something. But I'll leave you with Easy Corp. I can't even remember the ticker symbol. I think it's Easy something P. I can't remember. I wrote an article on it maybe like a year ago, but the pawn shops are doing really good. They've been pretty strong. And I always tell y'all, wealth is made in your sleep, not on your feet. Hit the like button, subscribe. Market Hawk, so we stalk the market. We'll get right back at you, and we're getting things set up.